So I have a new wig to show you, and this one is going to be brought to you by glamourtress.com. And before I get started, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are subscribed, please turn on your notifications so that you do not miss a video. So this one is highly requested. I was requested to review one of the wigs out of the Daily Wig line, and I decided to get one of the human hair wigs out the Daily Wig line because I was very curious about it. And so far there's a couple of reviews on YouTube. I'll link the ones that I have seen down below, but there's not really like a whole bunch of reviews. So I decided to get it, and this one is the, like I said, 100% unprocessed human hair lace part wig, and it says wear me on the daily, and this is what the box looks like. Like, I love the packaging of this unit, that's one thing I can say. And this is the straight blunt cut bob, 16 inches, and I do have the natural brown color. This one also does come in, I believe, black color, natural black. So that is what the front of the box looks like with the model. The stock card right here, and you can wear it in this style, and you can also curl it. It has washing instructions on the back. One thing I do like is that they did add a band on this wig. It does come with 2 combs on the side and a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And then that is what the cap construction looks like. So it looks like it is a breathable cap. One thing I a little bit skeptical on is that this is a lace part wig, and I thought it was a lace front wig. I thought this whole line was lace front, but from what I'm seeing, most of it is a lace part. So that is what the parting space looks like, and I'm hoping I can make it look natural. The hair is very, very soft so far taking out of the package, but I am getting like a little bit of tangles, especially at the end of this unit. Go ahead and tighten this wig up. Like I said, it does come with an elastic band on it for extra security, and I'm gonna look and see. If I am wrong, I'm gonna see if any of these come in lace front, but I wonder if they are just lace parts so that you can pretty much kind of go, because not everybody is comfortable with messing with a lace front, and I definitely understand that. So like I said, I'm hoping it looks natural. Okay, so I'm definitely getting some humpage with this unit. I'm gonna pull it all the way down, and I have a lot of room in this wig. So this is definitely, ooh, this is definitely big head friendly. Y'all, look at this hump. It's a lot of room in this unit. So I'm gonna have to fix that, because you ain't gonna wear your wig like that. Like, that's not how you wear your wig. So we're gonna definitely fix that up. What it looks like out of the package so far, and the hair is really nice and soft. I will, like I said, say that once again. And it's not a lot of hair, but it's not thin either. And I'm running my fingers through it. I don't feel any tracks on this. Actually, it could be thicker right here in the back part. When I turn around later in the video, I'm gonna see if you guys can see any tracks. But that's what the parting space looks like, and I'm gonna fix this up like right now because it's going to annoy me. But if you have a bigger head, this is definitely going to work for you because of how big the cap is. So we're gonna go ahead and speed this video up, and I'm gonna get all that together. So the first thing I'm going to do is work on getting this unit to lay as flat as possible. So I'm going to go in with my Blow Pro foam. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave all the links down below. But I'm just going to spread this on top of the unit and then also in the front, just so that I can get it to lay as flat as possible. Now this unit is big on my head, and at first I thought it was giving me the cone look because of how big it was. I just realized that it's just the way the wig was out of the package. So you can't just put this one on and kind of just run out the house. You're going to have to take some type of heat to get it to lay down as flat as possible. So after I am done spreading the foam on, I'm going to go in with my Gleemade scarf and just tie everything down and then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the foam can dry some. Let that sit for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and use my HotComb, the one that I picked up from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to run it over the top of that just to break up some of that casting. Now, I could have let this sit for a little bit longer, or I could have used a blow dryer and kind of dried it down. It was still a little bit wet, but it wasn't too wet to where I couldn't run the HotComb through. But I'm just doing this for extra security to make it lay flat also, and then I'll be taking my edge brush and just kind of running it over and smoothing everything down. Going to go in and add a little bit of heat to this unit. Now, it does state that this unit is 100% unprocessed human hair. You can bleach and dye this unit, and it states that you can also use heating tools from 350 degrees up to 400. Now, I had this one on 450 degrees, and I tried to curl it a little, and it did give it a little bump slightly at the end. I'm gonna do a super tight bump when curling this unit, so I just did it just a little bit because I still wanted to see how the cut looked on this unit. So yeah, it took the heat very well. Now, I have not tried to curl this wig, guys, but if you guys want me to, I can do a curl test and then leave it down below in the comment section. This unit also comes in the natural black color. I have the natural brown color, and I will say that for me, it does come off very dark. So I feel like the natural black may look a little unnatural if this is how the natural brown looks, but you can always go and check out other reviews. So now I'm just going to go into the parting space, and I'll be using my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some powder in to make it look as natural as possible. And then I'm going to take some freeze spray, and I will be spraying it through the comb and just running it through the front of this unit just to make sure that everything lays down. Now, on one side of the unit, I did notice that it was kind of splitting apart, but the freeze spray definitely held it into place. You guys can probably see exactly what I'm talking about. This is what the lace part looks like now that I added powder in, and guys, it doesn't look too bad. I thought it was going to have like a big line of demarcation because it's not a lace front unit, but it didn't have like a big noticeable line of demarcation. Like, even when I took selfies, it looked really good, and I guess it's because I kind of had the hair swooped over just a little bit, but not to where it looked bad. On the website, this unit is running for $97.99. Now, if this is too expensive for you guys and you aren't interested in getting human hair, then you can also opt for the synthetic wig line. Now, I'm not sure if they have this cut from the synthetic wig line, but I did notice they did have some bob options for the synthetic wig line. Think that it is still affordable because it is under $100. They also have a longer length unit in case this is just too short for you guys, and like I said, they also offer shorter length. As shedding and tangling goes, I did not get a lot of shedding with this unit, but I did get some snags at the very end of the hair once again. So guys, let me know what you think about this unit, and how do you feel about the Outre Daily line so far. If you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.